EverStart Maxx50 battery charger from Walmart, about $65 before tax. We're going to do a little review of it. We've had this a couple of years, and we haven't done a review. I don't know why, but we haven't. But anyway, this has been a very good battery charger. It's got several functions on it. You've got 50 amp engine start, or 50 amp engine start. It'll check your alternator, battery voltage, battery record, or recondition. It'll recondition your battery, discharge it, and then charge it back up the way it's supposed to, to its full level. And it automatically gauges what it needs. It'll start off about 16 amps and then work its way down, all the way down to a trickle charge, where it'll just stay trickle charging. So let's get it hooked up. We're going to hook it up on this battery here. Now, this battery should be almost fully charged. We have charged it with the EverStart already, but we're going to hook it up and show you. First, we'll check out the battery voltage, see what it is. Then we will go ahead and hit charge and see how it works. Okay, it shows that it's hooked up. Now it's hit battery voltage, showing 12.5, so it's about fully charged. And let's just hit charge. See, it jumps up. Well, it's not going to go to 16 because this battery is almost completely charged. So it senses what it needs, and it's just going up to 2.5, 2.6. And you get the indicator there at 75%. And so we're going to leave it charging. And when it gets down to full, it'll indicate full, and then it'll just maintain it and see, when it starts draining down, it'll come back up and charge it up. It's already down to 1.5, 1.4 now. So this battery is almost completely charged. That's a nice heavy-duty clamps. I like those. And like I said, we've had this for a couple of years. We've been using it for at least 3 years. And I just checked online. Now I think I got it for about $42, something like that. But online now they're 65, 64, 65. So that's inflation. Okay, this won't be a long video, but it will be this little review. We also need to review that True Fuel and the Ryobi battery charger and chargers, but we won't do that right now. Let's wrap this one up, get it uploaded and tagged on our YouTube channel, where you can purchase it off the YouTube channel if you want to. Please like, share, and subscribe to the videos. We've got over 100 product reviews and over 3,900 videos total. So there's something on there that you will like. Drone videos with the Phantom 4 Pro Plus, and just all kind of stuff. Oh, just in addition to this, we will be making a video and reviewing the EverStart pitcher. EverStart water filter pitcher, in conjunction with the EverStart for anywhere bottle, where you've got the two different filters, the anywhere and just for municipal filters. And this one as well, they just sent the municipal filter for this one, but it's all most people will need. But you can also get an anywhere filter for this pitcher. So we will have a review of it probably today as well.